Yo. Look into my mind. Look up at my dreams. Yo. I said look into my mind. Look up at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. I said look into my mind, homies. Look up at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. When I was growing up, look, I had big dreams. There was no doubt in my mind that I should be something. But growing up on my block, you had to be tough. You see, being Hispanic, you see, life is rough. Yo, I got fucked up by my mom every day. Yo, she was taking out the pain and suffering out on me. Yo, at that point in time, I was 8 years old. That's when the cops came, busted through them from the back door. Had my ass up like some type of criminal. Had my hands up on the walls, they were spreading my feet. I turned around and the gun was pointed at me. Under suspicion, the pigs took everything my dad owned, man. It was all bad. So ever since that day, yo, I hated cops, man. So look into my mind, look up at my dreams, yo. Look into my mind, homie, look up at my dreams. Look up to my mind, homie, look up at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. Yo, look into my mind, homies, look up at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. Yo, I hated cops so much growing up. I started running around, oh, I'm not even giving a fuck. A little nasty, yo, straight from the hood. I stayed a product of my environment, I'm up to no good. I started banging with my homies and slanging drugs. Even at school, I was making bucks. Now let me push it in perspective, I was 9 years young. Yo, around the first time, see, I bought my first gun. Got me running from the police thinking life is fun. But I never trust a man with a badge and gun, cause I know where that leads. Because I know where dad leads, homie, straight to LP, yo, that's LA counties. Juvenile hall, you see, even in there, fools is crooked as fuck. And Mr. Gonzalez buying me weed and getting me drunk, just to make a quick buck. Yo, it made me laugh, yo, I was on a gun charge and possession of sales. Man, the pigs took my money, still took me to jail. Now, homie, look at how I'm living straight from a cell. Now, homie, look into my mind, look up at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. I said, look into my mind, homies, look at my dreams. Look at what this justice system made out of me. They talk about rehab, penitentiary. Homies, see, they see our prisoners are all I see. They say they want us to do better, keep us trapped in cages. All this is doing makes us more aggravated. Seen the same fucking people every day, and now I'm thinking this is normal. Have you done to me? Yo, from 13 to 17, busted in the halls. When I turned 18, peace officer Enriquez, homie, tried to grow balls. So I rushed his ass quick with my motherfucking paws. Yeah. Yo. Now I'm fresh out the county, I'm beating up some pussy. I'm having a good time out banging with my homies. Only out 2 weeks till my 3 bank robberies. Now I'm in LA County waiting for my time, see. With 2 strikes and 5 is to do. Fool, I still remained a soldier, I said reppin' that Sioux. Yo, I did what I had to even hit the shoe. It's security housing unit if you don't know, fool.